Want to start using the RedNote social app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install RedNote. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download RedNote, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in RedNote at the top. The app name isn't in English, but look for this app in the search results. It's currently the #1 social app in the App Store, so that can be an indicator that you've selected the correct one. Tap Get to begin downloading. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete, then tap Open to start using RedNote. That's all it takes to download RedNote. If you're looking for other social apps to try, check out this tutorial on how to download the Blue Sky app next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.